Have you ever thought about turning part of your home into a rental unit? Adding a basement apartment or a small separate unit can be a smart way to earn extra income. So, what exactly is an SDU? It's an extra living space on your property, completely separate from the main house. Examples include basement apartments, granny flats, or even a small laneway house in the backyard. Why are SDUs such a good idea? They increase housing options, which is crucial as housing shortages grow. They're often more affordable for renters and help homeowners earn rental income, easing mortgage payments. Now let's talk about the rules, which vary by city. In Toronto, SDUs are permitted in most neighborhoods, but basement apartments must meet safety requirements. For example, basement apartments need proper windows for emergency exits and adequate ceiling height. Laneway suites must follow size, height, and setback rules, and parking requirements may be reduced near public transit. In Ottawa, SDUs are allowed in detached and semi-detached homes. Basement apartments must meet fire and building codes, and you'll need enough parking on your property. Mississauga allows SDUs in detached homes, semi-detached homes, and townhouses. Basement apartments need a separate entrance and must follow fire safety guidelines. In Hamilton, basement apartments are permitted if they follow building codes and have a separate entrance. Accessory apartments must comply with zoning rules, including parking requirements. Finally, in London, SDUs are allowed but must fit with the neighborhood. Basement apartments must meet strict safety and building codes, and accessory units have size and design restrictions. The basic idea of SDUs is consistent, but rules vary. Check your local bylaws to ensure your plans comply with regulations. Adding an SDU can make your property more versatile. Whether generating rental income or providing family housing, it's a win-win for everyone. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it. Have questions about SDUs? Leave a comment below, we're here to help. Good luck with your project.